Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So before we get into today's vlog, I would like to give a special shout out to Scentbird for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Scentbird is a fragrance subscription service that lets you shop over 600 brands like Prada, Gucci, and Versace, just to name a few. They offer men, women, and unisex fragrances. This is perfect for someone who wants to try new fragrances but don't want to commit to the full bottle. You take a quick quiz, and based on your preferences, you will receive a 30-day supply for just $16 a month. And if for some reason you need to skip a month, you can do that without penalty. So the first one that I'm going to try is the MIU MIU. I've been wanting to try this one. The keynotes on this is Blackcurrant, Lily of the Valley, and Musk. We're going to just spray it right here. This is a soft floral, sophisticated musk, not too much. So this is something that I would wear during the day. Next up, they sent over the Juice Pure Sugar. The keynotes on this one is wild strawberry, pink grapefruit, pink pepper, jasmine, and praline. So I'm gonna just spray it right here on this. Let's see how this smells. Very sweet, but this one smells really good. Oh, I really like this one. I think I'm gonna wear this one right now. This one smells really nice. And then the last one is the Dolce & Gabbana Pour Femme. So the notes on this one is jasmine, raspberry, vanilla, marshmallow, and tangerine. Oh, that's nice. This is nice. This is something that I would wear again during the day. Very, very nice scents. Use code IAMSHERIKAB55 for 55% off. That's only about $7 for your first order. And exciting news, Scentbird is now available in Canada. Good morning. Today is Friday. And I'm on my way to the gym. I started not to go because I'm a little tired. But I know I'm not going to the gym tomorrow, so I said, well, let me just go ahead and get my little workout on. I'm wearing these pants from Coffee Plus Gym. They're a little too small, but all the rest of my gym pants are dirty, and I needed some with pockets so I can keep my phone and my keys in there until I get to my machine, because I hate carrying it in my hand. So today I wanted to do a little bit of shopping. I haven't been to H&M in a while, so I think I might go to the mall, and then I want to go to a few thrift stores over there, so I can try to find like a few different pieces for my living room, just to do some things different. I know I do it all the time. I'm always like switching my decor out. It's the same vibe, but I like to change some things up. So I might look for some things this weekend and maybe go to Target. I haven't been to Homegoods in a while because, girl, Homegoods is not that girl anymore. She hasn't been that girl for a very long time. I don't know what happened. Because y'all know before, I was always finding things in Homegoods, but now it's just really basic. And we don't have like CB2 and all those places here. We just have what's the one? We just have Pottery Barn. We have, what is the other place called? We have Hobby Lobby, which y'all know Hobby Lobby is more like farmhouse decor in there. But I might just go in Homegoods just to see what they have. I'm not going to At Home because they have the same decor year round, so I'm not going way over there. That's not on my side of town. So oh God, this daggone hat. plan for today. Goodness. Okay, so this plant, this one right here, I'm gonna move this back over to this table. I really like the way that this looks on my table. And y'all know sometimes I put it over here, sometimes I keep it over there. But I think I'm going to leave it right here just to switch it back up. And then I'm gonna switch these pieces over here. And then I think I'm gonna I'll figure something out for the table. So I want to try to find some new things for my table and maybe my shelving. So we'll see what happens when I'm out. I also need to drop this off because I ordered this right here from Amazon. It's like a iPad and cell phone holder, but I thought it would bend a little bit because I wanted to have something to sit my phone on when I'm doing like my reels and my TikToks, and it doesn't move. So this is more for when you want to just like watch a show or something like that and you want to stand your iPad or your phone on. This is exactly how it sits, and it doesn't move at all. But you know, the iPad and the cell phone can sit up here. So I'm going to return this to Amazon. And I have some other Amazon packages that they said was delivered, but they're not at my door, so they must be in the locker room. But I haven't got my notification with my code yet, so I guess I have to wait for that. Maybe they don't do it until a certain time. I don't know, child. But they already said it's delivered. I hate when they do that. So it is 9:30. I'm getting ready to take my pre-workout. Y'all can't even see me. And head to the gym. Y'all, so this is the pre-workout that I use. You can get it from Amazon or Walmart. Because I always get so many questions about it. But let me tell y'all. So y'all remember Wednesday when I made the salmon bowl. It was really good. The only thing is I wasn't really feeling the edamame, and I'm a big edamame girl. I love edamame. I get it every time I go have sushi, or I'll just eat it straight out the bag from Trader Joe's. Like, I love edamame. And but I just wasn't feeling that edamame that I had on that bowl, so I made it again yesterday. One thing about me, like when I make something for the first time and I don't really like everything about it, I have to continue to make it until I get it perfect. Girl, I made that thing yesterday, baby. It was so good. I didn't do the edamame. I just did the salmon, the rice, and the avocado. I used a different type of teriyaki because that teriyaki sauce that I had from Publix, it had too many sesame seeds in it, and I like to add my sesame seeds myself, and I didn't really like how the sesame seeds were. I didn't like that. So I switched it up, and it was so good. I did a reel and a TikTok. You guys should see it here on the screen, but it turned out so bomb. So that is my new thing. If you guys like sushi, you would love any type of salmon bowls because it's basically sushi in a bowl, basically. So, and you just season your salmon however you would normally eat your salmon. Y'all know I like to use smoked paprika, a little bit of sea salt. I always use some type of seafood seasoning. So I do Old Bay. What else do I do? Garlic powder, onion powder, and lemon pepper. My salmon is bomb. And y'all, it turned out so good. It turned out so good. And then I drizzled some of the teriyaki. You can use whatever sauce you want to use. If you want to use honey, if you want to use, whatever sauce you like on your salmon. you can do whatever you want to do. I'm thinking about trying to do a curry one the next time, but I really like that. I'm going to make those all the time because there's so many different ways that you can do it, so many different things that you can put with it, but it turned out so good. It looked great. So I was really, really happy with that. But I'm getting ready to take this pre-workout and I'm going to the gym. I'll see y'all later.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you.
I had to park way down here because everybody's at Homegoods. So let me see, child. Maybe they got something in here today.
Love in the ocean, but if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it.
All right, y'all. So I am back home. I've been back home for a while. But listen, y'all, if y'all are in Jacksonville and y'all plan on doing some shopping this weekend, go to the Homegoods on Southside Boulevard. That store was packed. I've never seen that much stuff in one Homegoods before, ever. So remember earlier when I was telling y'all that Homegoods is not that girl, I guess all of the inventory came in at one time. And it was a little overwhelming because for one, it was way too many people in there. And then it was just like so cluttered. They had a lot of decor pieces in there. Nothing that really caught my eye because I've seen most of that stuff before, but the pieces are still nice. But like I said, nothing that I wanted to bring home. But y'all check it out. That made me want to go to a few other Homegoods to see what I can find, but I'll do that tomorrow because like I said, it was just way too many people in there. Me and this lady that was in there, we was like, oh my God, it is so much stuff in here. Like, it was a lot. I tried to get as much footage as I could, but it was a lot of people and it was a lot. But I did go to H&M. What's this? Oh, there's some mail. Because our weather has been very bipolar, I haven't really bought that many sweaters. But the temperature is supposed to be down to like 30 degrees next week. So I decided to get this black one. I don't have like an oversized black sweater that I can kind of wear as a dress. I have these really cute polka dot tights that I want to wear. So I think that this would look really cute with it. So this is where it would stop, like right above my knees. So I think that would be really cute. And then I found this cream one, and this one is really cute. This one is sleeveless and it has like the turtleneck, and I just thought that this one was really, really cute. It has like two slits on the side. So this was cute. This one was $30 and I got it in an extra large. And then this one was, how much? This one was $19.99 and I got this one in a large. So that is everything that I picked up. I think I'm about to do a mukbang, y'all. I haven't did a mukbang in probably like a month, just because I needed like a little break. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a mukbang really quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get my weekend started. So yeah, that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.